Martin has brought out the companion software for your phone. On fixtures like the Mac Raven and the Viper XIP, they have integrated NFC. So you can literally use your phone, tap it on your fixture, and retrieve data from the fixture, edit the data, and send it back to the fixture. Things like fixture profiles, fan modes, color modes, any type of thing that you can edit on the fixture that you can't do, well, if you're not close to the console or anything like that. So let me show you quickly how this works. All that you do is you open the Martin Companion application and you tell it, read from fixture. You take your phone, you tap, and there you go. You've got all your settings available on your fixture without going into the menu on your phone now. And you can save this and then tap it onto multiple other fixtures, and you can create profiles as well. So let's see how easy it is to change. So we're going to change, let's change the dimming curve. We'll change it to square law. We're happy with that. We only wanted to change that. Send to fixture. You tap it, and there you go. The new mode is selected on the fixture. And that is how easy it is to use the Martin Companion mobile application.